Welcome back, friends. It is April 25th. It is a cool, brisk spring morning here, about 33, 34 degrees here this morning. But Roberto and the guys are here. We're hanging cabinets in the basement. We're putting a vanity in the basement bathroom, and garage doors are going in today. So busy day today, making some good progress, and we'll bring you along, show you what we got going on. Let me see. Where it goes? Maybe there?
Sí, ¿no?
Yeah, nueve.
Sí.
Yeah, see. It's like the world's biggest, most expensive game of Tetris. It's crazy, figuring out where everything goes. These are easy, you know they go in the corner. You want to go get some shims and some more of those finish screws?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Caulking, no.
Caulk?
No, I'm joking.
I'll let the painter do the caulking.
No.
Getting high tech now. Got the laser out. Make sure our cabinets are level.
Aquel está bien, aquí está alto. ¿Cómo lo ves?
That one's still on the paper though.
25 and 3/4.
That cabinet right there.
The floor is not level, okay?
How close is it? Within a quarter inch?
Correct, yeah.
Yeah. So you have to raise them up.
¿Cuál le vamos a hacer caso?
Yo digo que aquella, porque esta, bueno, Juan, que la gabinete tiene que tener el mismo que la gabinete, ¿no?
Sí.
Tengo que poner gabinete por el
34 and 3/4.
Y media.
34 y media. Entonces mide se debe dar 34 y media del piso, pero debe de ser una que la que está más abajo.
So you have to raise everything about a quarter inch?
¿Quieres por arriba?
Ya con inch.
Yeah.
Ahí está
So you can
nivel.
level it?
Sí, aquí está, este está a nivel.
Good.
está tu tornillito. Ahora vamos a hacer esto, mira. Apriétalo con tu mano. Aquí, agárrale aquí así, apriétalo. Mira, se corrió.
¿No le va a juntar, no?
Se lo lleva, se lo lleva. Quedó, mira. ¿Está bien o no?
No.
No, no, quedó bien. Mira, quedó soltado.
Y aquí
¿Pero qué te parece? Ahora échame el tornillo. Ya, el mismo de arriba.
Un poquito.
Sí, porque mira. Aquí no me gustó. Aquí no me gustó. Ya viste que queda más arriba uno que otro. ¿Viste que queda más arriba? Aqui estouritos.
Berto and the guys are fighting these cabinets. The concrete's not exactly level, so it's taking them an hour just to try to get that corner set right. But I want to talk a little bit about cabinets and quality of cabinets, things I look for in cabinets. So I'll spin you around and show you something here. So this is one of the drawers they had to take out to set those cabinets over there. One of the things I always look for, dovetail drawers. And when you look real close, you want to make sure this is wood grain, not particle board with, you know, veneer on it. So tongue and groove, solid wood. And then up here on the front, you can see tongue and groove. Everything in this cabinet is solid wood, no particle board, nothing. The face you want to be, face of the cabinet you want to be solid wood. And then also, if you look in here, something I really like about these cabinets, but I didn't know, is the track for the drawers are on the bottom. Which ones I've seen in the past, your track would run along the side here, and so that just didn't seem to last long. But this, I really like it, so we'll see how well this lasts. But, again, you can see here, these are cabinets. It's all solid, like plywood material. No particle board, press board, anything. Everything's solid wood, so that is very, very important about the quality of your cabinets. See all that in there? But and these are the cabinets that we bought at Lowe's, which in my opinion, incredible value for cabinets. It's the Diamond Express line. So you only have 2 styles to pick from, and like 4 colors is all you've got, all the options you have. So as long as you can live with those colors and those styles, it's an incredible value. Soft closed drawers, soft closed doors, all wood construction, plywood construction. Really, 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 in my opinion, very nice cabinets for an extreme value. And when we bought these, we caught them at additional 35% off. Just a little tidbit about cabinets, something to look for if you're out shopping for cabinets or looking for cabinets. And so it'll be interesting to see too when we can compare these cabinets from Lowe's, what I consider a value cabinet, compared to our high-end custom cabinets that are going in our upstairs kitchen. So the kitchen upstairs is probably 4 times the cost of the cabinets in our basement. Now granted, we have different things like, you know, a Le Mans in the corner cabinet instead of a Lazy Susan, a Le Mans, I think is what it's called. So that's very expensive. Spice racks and things like that we did in our upstairs kitchen, the main kitchen, that added quite a bit of cost to that cabinet package versus here in the basement. It's a lot more plain Jane, just drawers and shelves, and that's about it. So. So that's a wrap on our cabinets in the basement. You can see behind me, really pleased how they turned out. We really like the color. And now the guys are on to bigger and better things. Got the garage doors in yesterday, finished that up. Guys are putting cement board on the chimneys, on the fireplaces, so that we can lay rock early next week, and then we'll be ready for floors. So we're clicking along. Catch you guys on the next video.